Report those compliments to your ass before it gets so big it forms its own website.
Do you know if you say her name, she'll stop?
I take you to be the captain.
Try it. Try it. Randy, say her name in her ear. She'll stop.
No. Don't speak. Don't think. Listen and learn. I'm a choreographer.
I told you.
You are cheerleaders.
Of course, you're like waking her up.
Cheerleaders are dancers who have gone retarded. What you do is a tiny, pathetic subset of dancing. I will attempt to transform your robotic routines into poetry, written with the human body. Follow me, or perish, sweater monkeys.